Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be sharing with you the stuff that I had bought Hayden this year for his Easter basket. And we are currently in Hayden's room recording this video because he's sleeping in my room. So if you hear some like blow dryer noise, I guess, it's because he's sleeping. So to start off with this haul, I purchased this Easter basket from Walmart. It's gray and the fabric is blue, gray, and white. I don't know what this print is called. It's actually $8, $7.98, so $8. It's a good size. I thought it was too small. So this is gonna be his Easter basket to put his eggs in when he goes hunting. Only because everything that I got him isn't gonna fit, and I want his actual Easter basket gift to last him for the rest of his life. And I do go a little, not overboard. I don't go overboard, but I do get gifts for him that won't fit in that small thing. So I'm gonna be buying a different bin. It's gonna be something like this, but it's gonna be gray. This one we have all of his stuffed animals in right now, so I'm not gonna do nothing with this, and plus I don't really like the color. I want a gray one, so I'm gonna get one of these from Hobby Lobby. It's gonna be gray, and I'm gonna pick my own fabric. I don't know what type of fabric I'm gonna be doing or using, but I'll let you know, and depending on how my Easter basket turns out, I'll have a DIY out for you guys, so maybe you guys can do it. It shouldn't be more than $15. I'm hoping it's under $10. It should be, depending on how much fabric I need, and depending on like if I'm gonna staple it or glue it. And also I'm gonna try and add his name in the front of each of his Easter baskets. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but I'll figure it out. So the first item that I bought Hayden was from Dollar Tree, and I got him this broom. It's like a minty turquoise color. I only got this for him because every time I sweep, he tries to get the broom I'm using and he'll sweep himself, but it's obviously too big for him, so he's not really doing much. So I got him this one at Dollar Tree. They also have a pink one, and just pink. They have pink and this one is on the guys section, and then the pink is gonna be in the girls section. So I got him this. It was only $1, and it comes with a dustpan. It's not good quality, but it's perfect for him. So we have the broom for him, and then I got this coloring book at Michael's. It's the Puppy Dog Pals characters. I could have gotten this at Dollar Tree, but they didn't have the characters that I was looking for. They had more like old ones or like nothing Hayden knows about. So at Michael's, these were originally, I believe, $3.50 or $3.59, and I got them for $1. So I stole it. I didn't steal it, I bought it, but I took it. And yeah, it's perfect because he really loves dogs and he knows the show, so he'll love coloring with it. And why do I keep saying I only got this? I got this for Hayden because I'm gonna start teaching him how to color. He's already colored several times, but he has never had his own coloring book. So I want me, Nathaniel, and Hayden to color together some days when Nathaniel's home and we're not doing nothing. So I had got him that. Also from Dollar Tree, I bought him a new sippy cup. The sippy cup he has right now is the nipple. He bit it, so it comes out faster and it drips everywhere. So I decided to get him something different. It's only $1. If it doesn't work out, it's fine. It's whatever. But it's Cars. It has Lightning McQueen and Storm on the front, red. And on the bottom, you can hold snacks. So that's cool. I don't have to carry 2 containers like the one I bought last time with the 2-sided snack containers. So he has this one. I'll let you know how this one turns out to be. And he also has a book. It says God Cares for Me. It's only 5 pages long, and Hayden is starting to love to read. He'll come to me and he'll give me books, so I thought buying books for him was perfect. And even if he didn't like to read books, I would still buy him books just so he can get the hang of reading. Even though he doesn't know how to, he's gonna learn to love it. So I just got the simple God Cares for Me book. It says God gave me a bed and a warm place to sleep, you know, all the good stuff that God gives us. So that one is a good purchase. This is at Dollar Tree, guys. They had more of these. They also have God Cares for Me, God Made Family, God Made Friends, and God Made Nature. I only got this one because, well, I don't know. As he gets older, I'll buy him more God books, but I just got one for now. The next book I got him was At the Zoo. It's the Elmo's Baby type of book, and again, it is only like 4 pages. The pictures stand out. He can point to the words and all that, and he loves animals. So I thought this was a really good book, and plus we went to the zoo the other day and he just loved it. So I thought this was a really good purchase for $1. They have more of these. They have like ABCs. They have the 5 Senses one. They have Bubble Bath. They have lots of good other books for your baby. Well, for you to start teaching your baby. So the last thing I bought at Dollar Tree was a pack of crayons. It comes with 48 crayons, and it has a sharpener in the front, and it says non-toxic, but that's not true. It's all of them are toxic. So I only got this one because it's 48 colors, and me and Nathaniel are going to be coloring with him, so we needed a wide variety of colors. They did have the Crayola brand. They had the 16-pack. They also had an 8-pack of neon colors, of glitter colors. They had an 8-pack of, I think, pastel colors. They had an 8-pack of chalk colors. They had markers, fat and skinny. I think those are 8-pack too. They had the fat crayons. So they had Crayola for $1, but I thought this was a better purchase because it comes with more in it, and there's obviously more colors, so that's good. Yeah, so this is gonna go with the the coloring book. And then at Target, I bought him the school box because Dollar Tree didn't have any in stock. This was $1 as well at Target. I was gonna get him a school box there. They didn't have any, so I was gonna look for some pencil pouches. They didn't have any. The only ones that they had were girls, and it had unicorns. It had like stars, glitter, so that was not gonna work for Hayden. So we ended up going to Target, and we ended up buying him a school box so we can put his colors in, and that's gonna be very fun to do with him. So inside the Easter basket, I was originally planning on doing blue Easter grass, and I couldn't find any. So this color is, I don't know what color this is. It's like a blue-green. Yeah, it's a blue-green. It's from Walmart, and it's plastic grass. I like the plastic grass because it stands out more than like paper grass and the, like, what's the other material? I think there's like another material. I don't know what it's called, but I've seen it at Dollar Tree. It's not paper. It's something else. I don't like it, so I went to Walmart. They didn't have the color blue I wanted, so I only bought one of these in case, and I ended up going 2 days later to Walmart, and they had the color I wanted. So they have royal blue, and this royal blue is so nice. It looks like metallic royal blue, but it's not. It's plastic, and it was only 98 cents. And when I had bought this one, it was $1.50. So I didn't return that one, and maybe, well, I don't need to return it, but I could return it and always get him a toy for $1 and get me a candy for 50 cents at Dollar Tree. So I bought 2 of these because I didn't know if one pack was gonna fit, and I didn't know that none of the stuff was gonna fit in his Easter basket. So I have to buy a new one, which is good that I bought two because I might not have this in stock anymore at Walmart, and I'm gonna have to be going back, and I can't be going every day, so I saved me some time there. And the next thing I bought was this pack of eggs. So I bought the ombre colored small eggs. They did have a big pack of bigger eggs, but there wasn't 12. I think there's 6. And there's this color as well. They also had solid blue, which was this color, in the small ones and in the big ones. They had pink, purple, green. They had glitter. They had like sports themes. They had butterflies. I think they had bugs. But I like to be plain and simple because to me it looks cleaner. I don't know why, but so I got him this. I don't know if I'm gonna be putting candies inside these. I might just use them for decoration, but if I do put candies, I'm gonna put jelly beans in them. And I haven't bought any candies. I'll just buy them, I guess, the day before. But the candies that I'm thinking that I'm gonna be getting is the Jolly Rancher jelly beans and the Sweet Tart. Okay, so I got a phone call, so my video got interrupted. But as I was saying, what was I saying? Oh, the jelly beans. I'm gonna get Jolly Rancher and Sweet Tart because those are good, and I'm gonna end up eating them. And then I'll probably get like a cute chocolate bunny just for like decoration, and he'll have some, but he won't have the whole thing. I might get the cute Reese's Pieces, tiny little ones in the like carrot shape. And I'm gonna get him some of his own snacks to put in his Easter basket. And I'm also gonna get some Easter bunny ears, but they're gonna be blue, and I'm gonna have it, well, whichever basket I use, which is probably gonna be the big one, it's obviously gonna be like all decorated, looking cute and nice or whatever, with all his stuff. Grass in there, and everything's gonna be propped up. And I'm also obviously gonna have the clear wrap on it. So whenever I put the wrap, I'm gonna tie it with a rubber band. I don't know if I'm gonna use a rubber band or some type of ribbon, but in the front I'm gonna have the ears dangling. So that's gonna be a tradition where I'm gonna have him wear the ears every single year and take a picture. And yeah, so that's what I have right now. He's also missing a swimsuit that I had bought him from Old Navy. I'll put a picture of that and the other stuff that I bought him, but that should be coming, I think, next week. It comes with the shorts, and then it also comes with the top, and it was on sale for $15, and it was originally, I think, $30, so it was like half off. And then I bought him some swim shoes as well from Old Navy. They were $15 and they were on sale for $11, so I got that because we're gonna be going out of town and we're gonna be swimming all over there. I mean, we're gonna be swimming a lot over there, and then here at our apartments they're gonna be opening the swimming pool at the end of this month. So he needed a new swimsuit and shoes so he can go like, so he can, I can't talk. He needed the shoes so he can go from this point to this point, so I don't have to carry him, or like, you know. So I got him that, and then he also got a Nike cap, just like Nathaniel's. Are going to be twins. I got it at Kohl's for $18. So all of that is going to be coming to my house, I think, next week. So whenever I get it, I'll show you the basket full, and then I'll obviously have my other one done. So that'll be like an updated Easter basket, I guess I can say. But I'll have most of the stuff that I can link down below for you guys. Yeah, that's mainly it. So we should be getting our couches next week as well for sure. If not, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna have a furnished apartment up soon, I promise. It should be up before Easter for sure. But yeah, guys, so give this video a thumbs up for the cheap Easter baskets. Actually, it wasn't cheap because the whole clothing situation was more than like $60, right? Like $50. So give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!